Blessed morning to you, YouTube fam. Yeah, I'm here today, Sunday. I'm making some breakfast rather late, but so it was sometime. Sunday, you know, Sunday is always a different kind of day. So, hope did make the dough kind of tight. I make some of dough, ma. She did make the dough it tight, mama. So I'm going to get some more water, barley and soften it. You know, so you can soften your dough if it's too tight. So I'm turn off this. So I'm going to be making fried dumplings and saltfish. Saltfish over this are boil up. So I put up the water for the dough, I soften it. This kind of just too tight. She said she don't want if she feel it soften it somewhere. But yeah. So I soften the dough and we'll catch you in the next clip. So I get the dough softened somewhat. Probably not as soft as I like. Or I would have loved. But I open the pot here. I'm going to do them. Turn up this. I'll cool or take me. Some mornings not the best. Anyhow, I have my day 2, day number 2. I had it off camera. Day number 2, my rice bitters. Yeah. So I had it off camera. I use it as I use to break my fast. So I go and catch my dumpling them right here. So because I thought the oil was hot. Oh, never remember so this is sitting butter me a thick. So I have to put it on eye. Oh. So saltfish boil off and I'm adding some So family, me I use Jamaican counterflour. Me now go sell the brand. Lord have mercy. So me a fair do. You see how long they take for come and say, oh man, you not put enough baking powder. She say yes man. And I first me do something there. And she did it by hand this time. So look here now. Me have to cover it for make it thick, the really thick. Work with flour, work with fried dumpling. But you know, say, me will get that salt out. So I have a piece of saltfish right here. Got my piece of me have some little scallion. Honestly, me I use my scallion. I can't afford to throw it away. So I'm gonna scrape up my saltfish here right now. This is tail part of saltfish. So. Yeah, I don't know for a reason I smell the gas. I don't know what happened. Everything works nice Sunday morning, but we'll make it through. And I hope that when you get to watch this video, you'll be having a beautiful time, whether it be morning, late at night. I don't know what time we'll get to post it, but whatever, whenever, I hope that you are having a beautiful time whenever you get to watch it. Picking up my saltfish while I look at worklessness there back on me. I go on. I had a cup of tea already after me drink me. I didn't want to drink me. I want to see my reaction to day number 1. But so what I did, I threw it out of the, put it out for make it come back to room temperature. I'm telling you, say, Lord, when it come out of the fridge, it be like it extra bitter. But you have to keep it refrigerated. So may I do this thing here. Right, and a piece of saltfish and nobody now. Try to get off them something. So Easter is coming up. I know you get to watch this before Good Friday. So open a bacon a bun already and make it there cure. And you have your fish them dip on the point for escovite. So you want to do it 1 day or 2 before to make you get the real taste of the escofish. Eh? Bunning fish and whatever. And you know there's a time of year you make a little pudding and them something there. At that time, them time of year. So try to get out all of them like a party out of the saltfish. Saltfish white and pretty. Then I'm gonna go rinse it. See, look at water turn over here though. I'm gonna rinse it up. Yeah. Cut myself after me and bun now in a tour. Not sure, I don't know. Nobody in the like them fussy for bun. Huh? Yeah, no, I steam it as steam and that's why. Yeah. Yeah, it a pop up this. So this is the mat fire and a steam. Turn on the stove for me now, please. So, yeah, the steaming we make them get more softer and make the thing go through. Fry, yeah.
You're saying it's done already.
Done? Them not burn under there. No. Look like they want to turn.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, cut up the local seasoning for the saltfish. So I have the dumpling them around this up. Workless flour, I give me workless dumpling. And try resurrect in some kind of way. I don't think it does. It has in the right amount of baking powder. The flour does workless. But when you go back to the supermarket and pick up more flour there. Here?
PCJ is the best one. A PC,
Nobody call me. Call me. But me never did like every time they make them workless and more. Cause trust me, I don't know. I don't know. This one wasn't right. And that one will be back in my house. So I'm gonna try work it out that way.
that's why this one is mostly use it for
It's very yeah.
fry a chicken or something like
Yeah,
that. It works.
You use it fried chicken. It not happen good. So
that was the reason I did buy it now, so for I use it for cold chicken.
okay. But lad, 10 pound of flour, I will let her go do. I go cold chicken. So look here. I'm go on there. It's a breakfast challenge this morning, you know, fam. Workless and this are onion here too. I don't know what happening here, but sometimes things just don't happen the way you want them to. Yeah, and things just not happen the way me want it to from yesterday, but me I will feel. So sometimes, family, if you are go through and it happen to the best of us and things just not working out, family I take it hard this morning, that hope slow me down. I say, look here, not now work my engine. And she say, okay, mom, slow down. So, still come over here so I need to follow me up. So, this is a frozen scotch pan. You know, so when the scotch pan is frozen, you know, so then I saw it again. If they put them there, really? Yeah. Then I saw it again. Keep my best friend. I tell her, so when once them frozen,
They're not that.
yep, the heat minimized down to like seriously nothing. And that me find out with them. Okay, so them a spit fire. Once you get them in, I want enough tomato in my ackee. And this is my favorite Jamaican. In my salvage, you go for got the one day him tell him say me dey on my way up come in for pick ackee. And I go them in a see my number. Don't call nobody, me just put on me and put on just spin around. Nobody call nobody. So me I do it these days, you know. Me nah stress myself. Because I tell you, say ackee there for true. Peer whole pack, everybody 3 year pass a peer ackee. So I open. So me I go deal with the saltfish now. The sunshine need dumpling. Trust me, a long time not no flour now. The ages the flour not stands up on me. But me try my best. Today is a workless day. I work this Sunday morning breakfast. And I tell you about stuff to go brown up this house too down. Everybody. All them dumplings they have me. Not nice. So I'm gonna mix it up and cover it. Make it go and stew down. All the tomato them. Maybe I should have put it on a bigger flame because this pot sitting at the bottom of this thing and I realize it is a very...
I think you should like this one and just
I think so. So, I'll cover it over and I'll show you the workless dumpling down. I have them cover down. Go on there. Put this on a bigger burner. Trust me, they might tell me they all stress out long time stove here. So, maybe a cover. So, that is happening. So I have the dumpling them over here. Workless dumpling are coming. Workless and tired out. But them are going, they can't, them are, is it them are? Yeah, so I make them go on. I cover them down, make them go on something. But not a good morning in the kitchen for me. Very workless morning. But life happens and we have to deal with it. No, so yeah. Okay, the tomato can even come red. I never have brown it this time. We just dump it.
It doesn't look too bad from here.
I just try to cook down the tomato and break down them on the onion. You know, now I'm going to brown it up here that night. The dumpling is just me. And you notice the tomato break down but it's not even ready. Like a fertilizer. Not fertilizer, start like that. We have to pray over where we are eating a family. You gotta pray when you get the right good tomato, it will be so red and pretty. This thing you just look for, please. Never go find something put in eye. I don't like how it look. Never find something put in eye for him. I don't like the color. And I might type of saltfish in it. Next plate. So it looks stress free. Some same like how sometimes everybody can feel stressed out due to stuff what happen around with and stuff and something. And so the breakfast is stressed out. So I just put a little soy sauce on the saltfish. You see it? To get that little extra bit there. Yeah, you see it? Look for better in night part. You never look so tired. You never look so, what do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want this good. But the tomato now give me what I want. And the flour, no good. So look here, no make nothing better when it's not a good day, just try to make the best of it. So when I see me again, I'm going to be short something to that. The kids will come today, Sunday. Everybody is here, they'll come and be short what they want. Yeah, I'm never want to overload the milk if I block the pan. I turn it off there right now. Not looking bad in the end. A little soy sauce, kind of relieve the pull other. I don't know where this is going. But it can go on, so it should have, that should have happened to you. Yeah, nobody make it stress you out too much. Yeah. Competition out. You have to try to be careful with now. But that's something you no pepper and reach down in the field. Like that. I eat that. But I get enough to caught up here because look here, it's the times. They must see what happen nowadays, they might do no so. I show no 1 and 2 are the tired out dumpling then. Okay, so like that. Stressful fried dumpling on a Sunday morning. Next clip. Good morning, morning, my family, YouTube family. It's a beautiful day. Yes, it's Monday, the 3rd of April. It is a beautiful day. And the first things first, it's day number 3 of my bitters. Lady feel like a cool. She's still not come to room temperature yet, but I'm gonna have it. Okay, so. The first day I didn't have rice bitters for a long time, so the first day is a little challenging. Bitter still, you know, it's not that bitter. So this is my fast. I'm breaking now with bitters. Yeah, man. Somebody I think is less asked me. It cleanses your blood. You don't have to take rice bitters. Anything that is bitter, you must try to get a little bitters into your body. Very often it balances up your blood. I must say, I'm only past sweet, you eat this, but you try everybody stay away from bitter things, including myself. Nobody likes bitter things, but I think it's okay if a lot of us would drink a little bitters. Make sure it's a part of our life. Some of them only past sickness and sitting we come down power, we wouldn't have to contend with them. You see what I say? So the sun is like, it's a little glary there now. Whoa, let me angle myself a little better. So I'm saying, if you can include a little bitters in your body very often, I think a lot of the things that we face, we wouldn't face them in the future. So I've not added rice bitters for a long time. For a long time I never see them around the front there, but I see them as spring up now. Not a lot, so I try the amount of I have. We keep me till some younger ones come up, and I'm trying to see if I can get some seeds and take to St. Mary. Because once you can get some seeds, you're not having a problem. You'll have it not all year round. Because when the time gets cooler, it just dies down. But when it comes to spring, going on to summer, it comes back up. But it's a beautiful day. It's Monday, and I hope that whenever you get to watch this video, I might put Sunday and today's video together. So yesterday morning we had fried dumplings, yes, the workless dumpling them, and saltfish. So that is not here, well, easier, but he's getting ready to go do some stuff, going on the road, do business, do a little errands, and do something. So that is not with me. Maybe later on another vlog, because I might go through to dinner. I didn't cook yesterday though. I told you that's how our life goes. We don't get up and cook and cook and cook every day. Even though I post cooking content, I know how to do it. When I cook stuff, Sometimes we have it, we save it for a later time. Sometimes we eat, sometimes we put away some, sometimes it's finished, sometimes it's just it. So I'm going to be making some breakfast today, and I'm going to be telling you, showing you what I'll be doing. But let me tell you, it's a beautiful day. Challenges there are, challenges there were. Challenges there were from back then. Challenges there are, challenges they will continue to be. So if it is that you, whenever you watch this little video or little vlog, you're having a challenging time, I know. We have been through a lot. I have been through a lot, and I'm still going through. But I have a little secret that I find now. I try to, to tell it to God. Instead of I tell it to man or woman, but I tell it to God. He soothes my pain. He heals my wounds. So try to get a little relationship with him. He'll take you through. That not say challenges now go coming, but you'll be more prepared. Because let me tell you something. I like to do this at the motivational talk at the beginning of the videos, because some people, they don't watch to the end. Some people say, enough of the talking now, get on with the video. But let me tell you, I've got to do it, because people out there are facing challenges. Some people not happen to them because they not have nothing to live for. They're not business about nothing. So a lot of people think that because you're there foreign sometimes, you don't face challenges. Just like how you're there Jamaica or there yard anyway, Caribbean anyway. You wake up this morning, you wake up to a pipe, immediate attention. You need a plumber, like ASAP, immediately. You didn't budget for a plumber, but what happened? You need a plumber. You wake up this morning, look here, your refrigerator is not cooling. Those are challenges. You didn't budget to call a technician. No, you didn't budget. And those are like everyday things where you have to deal with. If you're a renter, you might not have to deal with it. Your landlord has to. But if you're an owner, you have to deal with it. Okay? This happened, you get a call here, that happen. You wake up and you never look for say this is going to happen to you. You never look. So look here, it doesn't matter where in the world you are. Challenges there are. So some people feel like say, oh, if I get a visa and I go to foreign, everything is going to be sweet and dandy and nice and good because the challenge is not there. I know, and you know. You wake up today, you have to do this. You didn't plan, you never budgeted. It wasn't in your budget, but you have to deal with it. That's the way of the world. So let me tell you, I'll show you what is happening in the next clip. Just take it easy. Just easy, because sometimes I just said to Dad, some of the things that we take on or we took on previously in our life, we never have to take them on. Because when you put your faith and trust in a God, it's like you doubt him, something where you take on. Me, I'm talking from personal experience. Something where I take on. I try to do them for myself. And it just dawned on me a few hours ago, like, Debbie, you didn't have to take those on. I think it's the Spirit speaking to me. You didn't have to take those on. I told you I'll be there for you. I'll fight for you. I'll see you through. Why were you taking them on? Stress out yourself, send up your pressure, beat up your chest, beat up your gums. I mean, I have nobody in my family. No, nobody will dentist to help me out. No, we don't need to. Because he promises to take care of us. So make sure now I go on the next clip. So this is the next clip. I've got me here some bananas, green banana. These were in the fridge, so I cook them about for 7-finger banana, my favorite number. I go cook them. And yesterday after breakfast, I thought that many things say dumpling did left. So that's why I use a section something here, but no dumpling never left, darling. I look the picnic and eat after dumpling them. So I have some saltfish left back from yesterday morning. Home girl is gonna re-eat it. You see, it look pretty today. It look good there today. Bright out there. So I go re-eat it and I go cook smooth banana. So by the time that go and come back, I will have that for eat. So I have right here some mangoes, Julie mangoes. Of course, everybody gonna say, oh, they are turns. I'm gonna wash these and I'm gonna get a container. I'm gonna slice them up and put them in the fridge. Because sometimes the time out you can come and take out 2 pieces. I'm not a mango person, but I know say Cobb she gonna make use of them very, very well. So this is what is happening. I am gonna be showing you as I go along. Didn't cook dinner yesterday as I told you. So I honestly don't know what I'll be making. I have to make some dinner today. But what am I be cooking? I don't know. Dad, oh, I'm not eating chicken, Debbie, for right now. I'll eat it again, but not for right now. Look here. The things I have, me not know. Me sure no me I do. Next clip. Alright, now, I'm gonna be peeling my bananas. Let them banana. But I don't like how I put them in the sea. I don't know them sitting here hard to pull nowadays. So I feel I use something to hold it. But I just want a little bit of oil on my hands. I can't bother. There's something there. I don't know, not doing me. Me hear Kimmy and say, chef, yeah. Chef, put it in my bananas, and I have the mint tea right here, so it start boil up. So I'm gonna be having mint tea. So bananas are cooking, and I'm gonna be reheating enough saltfish. And so much saltfish we didn't do yesterday. And just one little piece of the tail. So and I catch a little water. Water supposed to be in a kettle though, you know. Banana them are boil up over this. So. Yeah. And just make it stay there and heat up slowly. Tea make already, so I can just use this and cover down that. And turn it down low. The tea make. And I short little of my tea. I'm going to drink nothing warm from morning. So let me turn down this one. Yeah, BF, so what do you, master? Who are you? So, yeah. Yeah, so I'm right here, so I want to share with my other, so I'm going to drink a lot of tea. Here, yeah, I'm going to drink a lot of tea. I'm going to drink the bitters, that's all I did just drink. So I drink a lot of mint tea now, because the time warm, time hot enough, time hot at Jamaica there, so yeah. But I go like it, oh, go on with you. Yeah, so I'm going to turn it down. Everybody turn down some of that, so I want a little high chair. And I drink a hot tea. So I sip like a hot mint tea now, because you know, Caribbean people, we are Caribbean people, and most of Jamaica we drink like a hot tea a man time, you know. Yes, so I'm drinking this tea because when I eat my banana I'm a little saltfish. I got drink to something cool for cool down the self and so. I go and something look at here. So when I see my next breakfast supposed to ready. I got this girl hungry. I'm hungry. I told them about the wash out. The bitters open up your appetite too. The bitters pull out. As I said before, I was saying in the prayer clip, I think it was less forever. Bitters good for your body. Bitters pull out gas and coal and the biliousness and it's in out of your blood too. Yeah. Why is it there? I think it's going, you see the camera is going in and again out, but look here. That's how it goes. So. This minute my face dark, this minute. I don't know what's happening. When I have the roof light on, you know, for the natural light, I come right through that window there, so. I want to eye cheer me there, so you know, we are trying to go upon it. Lord help me. Yeah, so I think it's about after 9 or thereabout. No, have a long day ahead of me, have something for do. Yeah. So there, so the banana them there, I make them take time cook, because they look like they kind of little chewy. So I make them go and cook the best way they can, and a little saltfish over the side too. Most people that do this in a microwave. I mean, I have a microwave in there, so and if I didn't even over in the other kitchen, near the last minute if you use the microwave. They don't know if you use it. That may I tell you. I don't know what's happening, but this, you notice it's is it my eye nerves? I don't know, but look here. I drink my little mint tea and I catch on the next day. So look at this now. My bitters, it's bitter. I put no sugar in my mint tea. So when I'm eating, I'll just find like a little cup of orange juice or I don't know, some little thing. More like I have like orange juice nearby, so I just go and beat that with it. And some me do it, you know. So me take a little bitters and me take a little sugar. That's how I do it, you know. You don't have to do it that way. I just show you how me do it and balance up myself. See? So I don't really want to go into that part. I just tell you say bitters is good for your body. It doesn't matter. A little bitters is good. Don't take a lot. Family don't take no whole cup of bitters every day. Yeah, drink this full of bitters. That's stupid. That's a no. Me used to see people and them have diabetes. Some of them a drink all 2 of this bitters. Look here, that's something we build up over time. So when you get up and drink so much bitters and mash up your organ, just take a little shot, maybe once or twice a day for a few days and you ease off again. You don't have to drink no whole heap of bitters, so doctor never prescribe the bitters food. So a little bitters is good, but you can ask your doctor if you're on any medication. Ask your doctor. If it's okay for you to drink a little bitters, a little herbal bitters, ask. Because sometimes depending on the medication where you take, where the bitters having it might, you know, go out with a little thing. So ask, but a little, I don't depend on doctor medication, you know, so let's drink a little bitters, you know, yeah, so. Well, I don't see me next. Supposed to eat, because girl hungry. You know, Pari, my little breakfast is being served, you know, serve me dish out. Now, but you put them give me. God is good, God is great, let us thank Him for a meal, amen. And I'm not gonna lie to you. Sometimes I don't remember if I said it grace. I get that, it's what happened. I tell them say something not going with the camera right now. I know. So we're burning them in a water over the sun. Just bear with me. I'll fix the camera right now next week. I'm going to eat. I'm going to look at behind them. I'm trying to find my pepper. Now you can. If daddy like it, it's not for you. I don't pour that over. Your breakfast. Store bought orange juice. Not from carrot, but where and zombies make one for carrot. To make orange juice, but not fruit, but a carrot juice. I'm sorry, why that's so. I go sweat in about, notice me now about sweat myself because I have. I eat a layer one and me cover. I think about what for that breakfast. If I never go eat chicken, I have to find something for him. When I decide where I'll do it, I have the chicken for ham. Saltfish nice. Next clip. Me up on the outside, dad come and decide that me I eat.
Morning, Barry. Good morning.
No, a family and a double. But it don't really matter. They know what I'm talking about. He come back off High Road. So.
The road hot.
They say he pick up a little something in the supermarket for me. So me I ask him what go on. What go on out there, dad?
Only bone I go on.
So he says what's a bun. So you me just ask him for me. Say, yeah, give me bun or yeah, buy me bun. Tell me what you tell me just now. Just like how you tell me half of the camera. Tell them.
You buy your bun, but you not give your bun.
You hear that? He might buy me bun, but he not give me done. So when you Parry, you don't come back, but me tell you something. You have some people there, you know. Everybody take a fear that me I notice in you, you know. Everybody leave that alone. Give that way him want. That entitled to say what him want. So you hear that? He might buy me bun, but him not give me none. Me left that to uno in a comment section who I take up for that. This man now come on the camera can show up himself, you know. Everything in do they take up. Me say me just don't have no luck. When me tell you that I not have the luck, I think I joke. See shirt. You see shirt in the right side and me I eat. Yeah, me I show the him. See him plate there. See him breakfast there. And breakfast, you see I eat with spoon and I eat out of basin. Real thing, a real life. Yeah, we out of door, so we cold stove there. So, next clip.